It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday the 17th. I'm James Spann. Rain as the weekend begins, but the weekend not all wet. Another chance of rain toward the middle of next week. Let's dive in and talk about it. Shortwave energy west of the state. Clouds are increasing. High clouds initially this afternoon. The clouds become thicker and lower tonight. And a big trough out in the western states coming into California, producing some pretty wild weather for our friends there in Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego. But around here feels pretty good. Everybody in the 60s. 67 for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden 68. Tomorrow will be in the 50s much of the day because of clouds and rain at times. But around the nation, a nice spring preview today. Chicago and Minneapolis-St. Paul reaching 60 degrees. Right at record levels. Seeing some 70s over Kansas and Missouri. On the watch warning map, the big action is back in the western states around California and Arizona, where flash flood watches are in effect. Also wind advisories there. In terms of convection, this is the chance of thunder for the rest of today and tonight. Thunder's possible for the California coast and the Gulf Coast, but no severe weather expected. And tomorrow, there's a chance of thunder for parts of central and south Alabama, up into northwest Alabama. But again, severe weather not expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday evening of next week. About 1 inch for much of the state. That counts the rain we see tomorrow and the rain we see toward the middle part of next week. So, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. You can see shortwave energy coming in from the west, and it will be a cloudy day with rain at times. We'll check the HER model. This is at 5 a.m., and at that point, rain should be fairly widespread across the state. Looks like the main window for rain about maybe 2 a.m. until 2 p.m. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Rain continues over much of the state, but it's ending from the west and southwest, so clearly a good chance of rain after midnight tonight and tomorrow morning. But I think by afternoon, the bulk of that could be east of here. This is the instability tomorrow morning, and there basically is no surface-based instability. So again, certainly no chance of any severe weather. Sunday looking good. A wave on to the east, the sky partly to mostly sunny. A good chance we'll see low or mid-70s. Nice springtime preview. Pretty much the same thing on Monday. In fact, the GFS coming in at 78 on Monday afternoon with rain to the west, and that rain pushes in here Tuesday. The GFS remains consistent now in this idea, and so we'll insert the chance of rain on Tuesday. The high Tuesday should be around 71. I guess there could be some thunder, but again, that's not a severe weather look. And then this is Wednesday of next week, and a surface low begins to form in the Gulf of Mexico south of the mouth of the Mississippi River. And moisture wraps in from the east, so again, Wednesday looks like a cloudy day with a chance of rain at times. The high should be in the 60s. And then for Thursday, moisture lingers. A new surface low forms out across the plain states. Might be a few showers, nothing widespread. The weather stays mild with highs probably in the low 70s. And this is a week from today, Friday the 24th. Pretty impressive trough over the central states. A deep surface low is near Green Bay, Wisconsin. And if this verifies, we have near blizzard conditions for parts of Minnesota, up into Canada north of the Great Lakes. And again, down here, that would be mild with a chance of showers. So really, from Tuesday on through Friday of next week, some risk of rain each day, but no sign of any big high-impact severe weather type events. This is the end of the forecast period, Monday the 27th. Pretty good shortwave energy coming in from the west, and if this verifies, a deep surface low would be over South Alabama with a soaking rain. But we've seen this all over the board. We've seen some runs take the low north of here. This one takes it south of here. We'll just have to wait and see. That's more than, obviously, 7-8 days out. Check the numbers first off the GFS ensemble. The screaming message, there's no sign of any really cold air. If this were to verify, temperatures stay above average into early March. The European, not quite as warm, but again, it still shows no sign of any bitterly cold Arctic air for the next 10 to 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. If you can't catch us this evening on TV or the live stream, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.